50% win record.
I've been up chilling, and what are we gonna wear today? What are we thinking? Pie meat? No. Slime pack. Slime pack. Slime pack. Slime pack. Or slime pack. Which one? Any? We'll just put this one on. Now, blue jeans. Blue jeans. Which one? Which pair? Just grab the first pair at the top. Just grab the first pair at the top, and we good. Y'all can see that's that good old slime pack uniform. See the back. That's the back of the shirt. But of course, y'all know we got to earn these clothes. I know I got to put some creases in my clothes. Live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up. What is up, Slime Pack Nation? And I know my last video looked like this right here and this right here, but that's because, as I stated in my last video, I recorded more than one vlog in one day. So y'all, we getting ready to just, I don't want to say relax, but enjoy the day just a little bit, because I worked hard last night. I pushed it, and I'm ahead of schedule. I'm way ahead of schedule, and I got a little bit of time to just because that last load I was on, I had to be running like 10 hours over with, drive. 10 hours over with, drive. 10 hours over with, drive. Now I got some time to breathe just a little bit. So what we getting ready to do is, we about to go out to eat. We about to take ourselves out to eat. They got an IHOP in here and some other places. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour around this truck stop, and we just gonna vibe out together in this vlog. So I hope y'all like this vlog. I like doing little vlogs like this that's not so much strictly on truck stuff, but just other stuff that revolves around trucking in our day, if that makes sense. Yeah, that revolves around in a truck driver's day while we out here on the road. Because some people think all we do is just drive and drive. That's it. Like, sometimes we have time to get off the truck and enjoy ourselves if we want to. There are a lot of people that just sits in the truck and waste their life away. Look, if I got extra time to do something, I'ma do it. But when it's time to work, I works. I gets down. So yeah, we getting ready to get off this truck, going to the truck stop, and just try to make the best of this beautiful day. Also, I want to just ask y'all a few questions real quick about my giveaways. So I want to do a different approach this time. Instead of cash or merch, like, I was thinking about giving away a camera or like a GPS or something like that. So y'all comment down below, how many like content creators do I have watching my videos, and how many truckers do I have watching my videos? So comment down below. I want to do something different, something special. Then also, I don't know, I might spice it up and add in some Ray-Ban glasses. I don't know, so we will see. So I need all my truckers to comment down below if you're a trucker, and all my content creators to comment down below if you create content, so I know which way to go about this giveaway. And also, I may be going live sometime this week. I'm not sure. Can't make no promises, but I think I may do like at least 2 lives a week. So y'all let me know down below in the comment what y'all think and how y'all feel about that. But y'all, check out these parking spots. It's so much space. Literally. We got a nice view of some swamp water back there. It's very quiet. It do not smell like pee out here, not at all. Don't worry about me being in a reserved parking spot. Just don't worry about that. But like, look at the space. Look at how much space is over here. And I'm not even all the way on the line right here. You still got enough space on the other side to put your grill out, your little lawn chair, and cook out. Got the lounge right here. Smooth the leather chairs. Mighty low. Got the flat screen TV. Got 4 showers and laundry. Only 1 washer and 1 dryer. Of course, you know, you got your usual truck stop needs, necessities. Your usual snacks, drinks, sodas. Copyright, 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 copyright. Now, if you need to get fresh, you ain't got no clothes in the truck, they got you. All right, y'all, let's go get a bite to eat. These are the hours. Yes.
Did you want a booth or an actual table?
Yes, can I get a booth, please?
All right.
Feels good in here. Thank you, ma'am.
Yep. You know what I can get you to drink?
Sweet tea.
All right, I'll be right back.
Thank you. I really don't even know why I got sweet tea whenever I maybe eat syrup.
I still need a few more minutes.
Yes, few more minutes. Thank you. I really don't even know what I want. I ain't that hungry, but I ain't eat nothing today. Maybe just do some pancakes. All right, Slime Pack Nation. Pause right here for a second. So I usually give y'all Slime Pack, you know, on the videos, but y'all about to get to see some of Jasmine. Outside of this YouTube stuff, I'm very unserious. I don't take a lot of stuff serious. I like to joke, laugh, have fun. So you get ready to see me talking to my family, singing. I love country music. So yeah, y'all just about to get the vibe of Jasmine just for a little bit. What y'all eat if y'all do go to oh yeah, get some of them seasoned potatoes. Ready, set, let's roll. Ready, set, let's roll. Get your little fire. We can roll them down, pop them up, cruise around. We still pedal to the metal till the sun comes up. Y'all, they filled this cup up with tea. They filled that up.
Sorry about that. Wait, you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right.
Can I get the original buttermilk pancakes? 3 of them.
All right.
That'll be all.
So a short stack of
We were teenage dreaming, front seat leaning, baby, come give me a kiss. Put me on the cover of a Rolling Stone, Uptown, down on American Kid. You know that song? Cause I'm a country girl. little messed up, but we're all right. I know all these songs because country is in me, not on me. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, I was showing you. I think you had your head turned. I'm getting ready to use some ketchup on my potatoes. I need some mayonnaise. I'm about to say.
Wait, why you need mayonnaise?
For my potatoes. This is what I do. Alright, Slime Pet Nation, I thought we was gonna have a little, a little talking date, but y'all can hear they got copyright playing in the background, so I don't want it to pick up in my videos. So this gonna have to be cut short. Dinner is gonna have to be cut short. So I'm gonna have to come up with something else that we can do. We're gonna taste it without dessert. Just like somebody had left a comment on one of my videos. They were like, every time you get food, you complain. Listen, whenever people do food reviews, the point is to critique what you like and what you don't like. I like the pancakes, but me personally, I like my pancakes a little more burnt. I like, the circle part to be burnt, like how when you cook it at home in the pan. Yeah. I don't know if it's a, my people thing, but yeah. IHOP, your typical good IHOP. Food was fresh, good customer service. I left a good customer tip. Thank you. You too. Got that cup of ice and we out. Listen, y'all. I would take a you so respectful compliment over you so beautiful compliment. Like, I love when people recognize, like, respect. So as y'all can see, we back on the truck. I was about to go live, but then I suddenly changed my mind. Like, I don't know, I'm gonna get into the mood of going live, looking for something. But yeah, I changed my mind, y'all. I was gonna go live because I had a video scheduled for today. Something told me, go back and watch your video. Soon as I got to watching it, I seen a part in there that I should have edited out. And it's not that it was anything bad, it's just as a creator and an editor, you like certain things and you don't like certain things. So it's like, now I gotta re-upload the video, wait for the video to get approved for the monetization. So I just might as well just schedule it for the next day. I was feeling great, y'all, because I just knew I had a video about to drop. But it is what it is. I think we done with this video right here. All we're about to do is get back there, relax until it's time for me to go. It's currently like 7 p.m. here, and I'm leaving at like maybe 1 a.m. I think I'm leaving. That's it for this video. I'll catch y'all on the next video.